Welcome back to Savitri's Kitchen. Today we are celebrating the auspicious festival of Ganesh Chaturthi. And what better way to honor Lord Ganesha than by preparing his favorite sweet treat, coconut Karanji, which is a popular sweet from Maharashtra. So let's get started. Let's start with the dough for our Karanji. In a bowl, take 2 cups of all-purpose flour or maida. Add a pinch of salt, 1 tablespoon of suji or rava, and mix everything well. Now add 2 tablespoons of hot melted ghee, the ghee should be added at intervals. Rub the ghee into the flour with your fingers until it resembles breadcrumbs. Now add water little by little and knead it into a smooth, firm dough. The dough should not be too soft or too hard. Once the dough is ready, cover it with a plate and let it rest for about 20 minutes. While the dough is resting, let's make the delicious coconut filling. Heat 1 tablespoon of ghee in a pan and add 1 teaspoon of poppy seeds and let them sizzle for a few seconds. Now add 2 cups of grated coconut and stir for a few seconds. Now add 1 cup of jaggery. Stir continuously until the jaggery melts and blend with the coconut. Meanwhile, we will prepare cardamom powder using a mortar and pestle. Add 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder and mix well. Cook the mixture until it thickens. Once done, let it cool down completely. Now that our dough has rested and the filling is ready, let's assemble the Karanji. Take a small portion of the dough and roll it into a small balls. Flatten it and roll it out into a small circles like this. Place a spoonful of coconut filling in the center of the dough circle. Fold it in half to form a semicircle and seal the edges by pressing them with a finger. Repeat the same process with remaining dough and filling. Heat oil in a pan for deep frying. Once the oil is hot, gently slide the Karanjis into the oil. Fry them on medium flame until they turn golden brown and crispy. Remove them with a slotted spoon and drain them on a paper towel to remove any excess oil. And there you have it, delicious crispy coconut karanjis. Perfect for Ganesh Chaturthi. Try this delicious recipe at home and let me know in comments how it turned out for you. See you this Wednesday with another delicious recipe. Thank you.